Hey guys, what's up? Moonman312 here on the Rockets4737 channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make your own server. Right now I'm hosting one from beastnode.com, and I'll leave the IP to that in the description. But basically this is going to be a tutorial on how to make your own. This will be for Windows 7 and 64-bit, and there'll be lots of stuff on this page here to show you how to do it for 32-bit and different operating systems. And these are lots of the codes for which you will see later why you're going to need these codes. This one's really complicated, but trust me, you're not going to need this. It looks more complicated than it is. Alright, so first what you're going to want to do is go to here, this page, which I'll be leaving in the description. And you're going to go right here, Windows, download Craft Bucket's latest build, recommended build. Click on that, and keep, then it'll download. And while it's downloading, I'll just show you another important step called port forwarding. This is what you're going to need to do to make it so other people can connect to your server. And you're also going to need to change your IP to a static IP. So there's a tool you can download for that, which is really easy. Just search static IP tool or something like that and download it. Cool. There's lots of them. They all work fine. It's quite easy for them to do it. But here you're basically going to have to find what kind of router you have. So you're going to find whatever router you have. You have to figure that out. And then click on it, and it'll give you a step on how to port forward. Anyway, okay, so that's all you need for there. Well, it's still not done, so I'll just give you like an example. Let's say you have a Telenet router. You click on that, and there's only one model for it, so you click on it. So this one, welcome to our guide on this. Please select if you don't. Alright, so you have to select for what game you want to program for. So this is a Minecraft server. So you go down to the M's and click on Minecraft server. And it'll say what you have to do. And this one looks a lot more confusing than it should be. But yeah, that's all you need for that. Alright, and so yeah, so these are going to download. And okay, another thing you're going to do is make a new folder on your desktop and have it completely empty. And that's where you're going to want to put this when it's done. So I guess while we're waiting, this is the one I have, so I'll just copy it. And what you're going to do is go new, and then text document. So edit. So it's going to open up a blank thing, and you want to paste this in it. So this is to the default 1 GB of memory. I have 6 GB of RAM, but this will only use 1 GB, which is enough. And yeah, that's what it's going to use. And for different versions of Java, you're going to want to use this. So like if you're running Java 7, do that. If you're doing different types for different ones, check all these out. They'll work. The link for this page will be in the description. And yeah, alright. So then you're just going to go File, Save As, and then All Files, Server. You want to go .bat and click Save. And I'll just replace. Okay? Oh wow, that's it. Okay, anyway, so, show in folder. Cut. Nice. Paste in here. So there you go. That's the first little thing you're going to need, and all you do is open up this that we made. It's going to say, it's going to load up some stuff, which you can already see has loaded up here. So it's just going to prepare your spawn area. I'm going to tell it to stop, and it'll just finish it, and then it'll automatically stop. So it's giving you all this plugins folder, your world, your world nether, and your world the end. So you can edit all these. Yeah, and so one thing you're definitely going to want to do is open up your server properties. Notepad, with Notepad. And you can edit with different things here. You don't need to put in the server IP, that's what port forwarding is for. You can do your MOTD, view distance, game mode, PvP, max build height. There's a whole bunch of different things you want to do. If you want to do a certain seed, you can put it in there. And you can just basically mess around with that. You're also going to want to see pressing it. Okay. So you're also going to want to ops, go into there and edit that. And put in your own username. And I'll put in my friends. And then my alternates. So you have all those. Okay. And yeah, that's all you need for a normal server. So all you gotta do is go into your server, click run that bat, it'll run the server. That's all you need for that. So then you're gonna go to just make sure it works. You can go into login. Multiplayer. I have Notice installed right now. Add server. Direct connect. So I'm just doing this for the thing. If you want to connect your own server really easily, you just go localhost. Join server. Logging in. Just take off that. See, so it doesn't have anything in it, doesn't even recognize /gm. Game mode. And then we're going to do month. You see? Okay. So the server's working, you know that. So now just disconnect. Exit. And stop your server. See? So you can see it's working here. Stop. It'll say the chunk, stop your server, press any key to continue. Now we're going to want to install some plugins that you definitely want. So download. It has here's the the different downloads. So you just click download, and download, and it's saving it. Yeah, 14 seconds remaining. And once that's done, installing plugins to a server, like a server, is actually quite easy. So all you have to do, so we'll just show folder, cat, and minimize. We'll just paste that here. So you're gonna open up a WinRAR, and it has all these: Essentials jar, Essentials chat. I'm not really sure what Essentials chat is. I never installed that. But Essentials protection and Essentials spawn. So I like to install all these. So just click, go like this, and drag them to your desktop. So now they've been extracted. Go into your folder, plugins, grab them, drop them in. It's easy as that. So then you just want to open up your server again, run it, and it's going to say Essentials loaded. Essentials, use common base permissions, and it's done. So now we'll go back into there and we'll have a lot of different commands. And it'll be a nice server you can set to home, do all those different things, which is very handy. Localhost join server. So now we can just go /gm, we can go /kitty cannon, shoots kitty, it pulls up. We can do quite a few different things. And you can set home, you can do /new, which is horrible. It just kills them but doesn't break anything. And yeah, and you also spawn now, so people can't break here unless you're admin, of course. And yeah, that is that for that. And yeah, I think that's all for now, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave it down in the description, and I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, bye bye.